Is it the same in Farsi that the question starts with a question?
Most of the time, yes.
Okay, fine. So we'll be able to do it. So what's the first word?
Why?
Oh, why? You're a quick learner. Why? And now the second condition is the question should not have more than 12 words. To be a real question, always starts being a speech.
Okay.
So why what?
Don't.
Okay, you can tell me in 12 words.
I start learning more languages. Concise enough?
You see, you can't help it. Huh?
Yes.
You can't. You haven't made it a nice question. No, you have to ruin it with all these useless words.
Yes.
You see? You start seeing it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Normally you don't notice it, right?
It's funny.
If it's funny, normally you don't notice all these useless words.
Normally, yes. I don't know.
You just go. You think the world is a big garbage, and you can keep throwing words. I think I actually have a theory about this. There's ozone hole, the hole in the ozone. My theory is because of all the useless words people throw around, and it creates a hole in the ozone. But I didn't have much success with my theory to prove it. I think it's a genius theory. That's my theory. Yeah, so try to avoid digging the ozone hole with useless words. Yeah. No. But do you have any idea why you use all these, you throw all these useless words? Do you have any idea or no?
No.
No. Which, by the way, is funny because if you notice, your question is connected to that. You notice or no?
Not yet.
Look, why do I start learning more languages? And I'm just telling you, you use useless words. You don't see a funny connection?
No.
Well, imagine you spoke 20 languages.
Yes, I know. Please.
But it's funny. So that's the problem because the connection,
Yes.
the conceptual, don't say yes. The conceptual connection was rather easy to see. I'm just saying you have useless words. You want to learn more languages. The conceptual connection was rather obvious, no?
Yes.
But you don't see it because you're so busy making your show.
Could be.
Or could be, or most likely is.
Yes, most likely.
Yeah.
Better term.
You use could be to avoid, yeah. But do you notice your difficulty to think? You never noticed.
Maybe I never noticed. No.
You have studied, I imagine.
Yes.
And when you studied, I imagine, like everybody else, you met some types of difficulties.
In my studies?
No, in the Olympic Games.
In the Olympic Games? Yes.
Do you notice how many times you ask me meaningless questions?
Because I want to give the right answer.
And I give me a because. Do you notice? Answer is yes or no. You notice, you don't notice. You instead of saying, I notice, I don't notice, you want to because me.
No.
Well, you said because.
I don't want to because you.
Well, I don't care what you want, but you're doing it. You remind me of my son, Did you hit your sister? It's because. I don't want because. I want to know, did you hit your sister? So you speak like a child. You want it because. Instead of, and that's often people do, they deny the phenomenon with its cause. They confuse first
Behind.
the phenomenon with its cause. And they use the cause, the because, to deny the phenomenon, to avoid looking at it. Did you ever notice that?
Yes.
Not long ago, somebody that said, this person is aggressive. No, it's because she's nervous. Yeah, but the fact she's nervous explains why she's aggressive. It does not deny the fact she's aggressive. You get it?
Yes.
But people use the cause as a way to deny the reality.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So you're a because guy. You use because you don't even notice, right?
Mm,
But did you use because or no?
yes, I
And
did.
was it appropriate?
I think so.
Okay, I asked, do you notice? Is because appropriate logically or no?
In this
Maybe,
situation,
do you notice blah blah blah? The answer should be yes or no. I notice or I don't notice.
when I don't
No.
know the question, I can't answer.
Okay.
So I have to ask you to
And you
clarify.
forget about yourself.
Yes.
And you just kill yourself
Yes.
so you can start thinking, okay?
Yes.
Just listen, logically. Do you notice? Blah 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 blah.
Yes or no?
Good. Okay. So does because make sense?
No, in this situation, no.
You see? But I have to insist until you start seeing the logical process.
Mhm.
Yeah? But first, your mind tends to be chaotic. You see the chaos?
Yes.
And you see the connection between chaos and show.
Yes.
What's the connection?
You make a show by making a chaos.
Yeah.
You make yourself known.
And vice versa. You make chaos by making a show.
Yes.
Very nicely together.
Yes, they both help each other.
You know, somebody wants to make a show. He doesn't try to be coherent, logical. So he just goes, moves around, make gestures, speak, throws words. You know, the whole point is to create some drunkenness.
Darkness.
Yeah, I know in Iran you guys don't drink alcohol, but I think you don't need. You don't need. I think it's a culture that produces alcohol in your mind. It's funny.
Yes.
Yeah, don't tell anybody I say that. They'll accuse me of cultural.
No, I will show them your video of Khomeini and then they won't.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to say stuff like that, but it strikes me how cultures really have a strong identity. Today you're not supposed to say that. But anyway,